Hey guys, what's up? And I just came from a Monford and Sons concert. Well, I basically, went to the concert. And basically, there was a lot of crazy stuff down there. A lot of crazy stuff. I don't want to get into detail, but lots of crazy stuff. Lots of fancy lights. My ears are absolutely annoyed right now. Annoyed. That, like, I got a headache now. Okay, intense lag, okay? Intense lag. This video is gonna be intense lag. So, alright, so, I got a really bad headache now. I might go in the hot tub. Yeah. I do know. Oh yeah, strangest story. There was a randomly parked car in our driveway at our old house that we're selling. And we didn't know whose car it was. We're like, who the fool? So we were gonna go get it. We were gonna go get it towed, but then it just randomly disappeared. So we're like, what the fool? Okay, that's strange. You can just randomly disappear, even if we don't want you to. But there's a lot of beer. Let me just tell you that there's a lot of beer. I actually got this. Wait, quick, wait, no. What is this drink? What is this drink? Write in the comments, what do you think this drink is? I know you've seen it for too long. You've seen it for too long! I know. So anyways, guys, Monford and Sons. See you later.